morning, everyone. I am pleased to welcome all members to the Board of Monthly Executive Production of Safety Optimization Committee of the NUVION Motors Company. Thank you for making time to attend. Shall we begin the meeting?
Yes.
Are there any apologies for absence at today's meeting?
Yes, Mrs. Nan. For the apologies, Mrs. Devi currently attending for family emergency, so she cannot attend for our meeting today.
Thank you, Mr. I acknowledge. Thank you, Mr.
Good morning, everyone. I sincerely apologize for arriving late at the meeting. I was deeply engaged in preparing material for today and lost track of time.
Thank you, Mr. Aiman. We realize your commitment, but please remember that punctuality is just as vital. So kindly ensure by the time management in the future to prevent this kind of mistake.
Certainly, Ms. Sonia, I appreciate your understanding and will make sure it doesn't happen again.
So let us now proceed with the next item, confirmation of the minutes from the previous meeting. Kindly review the minutes that were distributed to all members in advance.
Actually, there are some correction for the last meeting. Okay, there is a correction regarding payment approved for our suppliers, Automotive component. The actual amount that is approved is around 48,000 ringgit, not 58,000 ringgit, and for our supplier.
Are there any other questions or remarks? So thank you. May I have a proper proposal to accept the minutes with stated correction?
Yeah, I propose the limit here. Accepting the motion.
So let's proceed. Are there any matters arising from the previous minutes?
Yes, I would like to inform the committee that I successfully contacted Automotive component and they confirmed receipt of 48,000 ringgit payment. As a follow-up, I am requesting permission to send an official acknowledgement letter on behalf of NUVION Motors to express our appreciation for their support and service.
Thank you, Mr. Aiman. Does everyone agree with the request?
Sure.
So you may proceed, Mr. Aiman. Can someone propose the minutes to be accepted?
I propose to be accepted. I second the motion.
Alright everyone, let's officially commence this morning's session. Our first critical item on the agenda and one of the demand our immediate and comprehensive attention is enhancing safety awareness and minimize human errors in our production. So Mr. Haris, as our dedicated EHS manager, you've been meticulously tracking this situation on the ground. Could you please provide us with a detailed overview of current challenges we face in this area?
Thanks, Ms. Sonia. So indeed, we've been observing a worrying trend. We've seen too many errors on the production line directly attributable to human mistakes. So these aren't just minor oversights. They include a critical issue like staff following incorrect procedures, operating the machinery without proper lockup measures, or simply missing a crucial safety step during the routine task. This, as you can imagine, directly causes significant motor impacts our efficiency, and most importantly, puts our valuable staff at unacceptable risk.
I agree. My supervisor are seeing, especially with new staff or when we are very busy. It impacts our quality too.
So I understand the problem is clear and it affects us serious for both safety and how well we produce things. Since this issue is happening a lot, what are our main plans to truly reduce these human mistakes and make this better in the long term? Mr. Haris, please tell us what your meeting has prepared.
Well, we have come up with two main ways to fix this. First, we need to have a regular required safety training for all production staff, and this won't just be once a year reminder. There will be an ongoing hands-on training program, and it will focus a lot on how to spot and stop common mistakes and how to safely use the machines and do tasks the right way. So we want safety habits to become a natural part of their daily routine.
Mr. Harris, that sounds good. But from the R&D side, we have a question that will this training be flexible enough to include all the new technologies and complex machines that we often bring into the production line? Our new invention come up very fast.
So that's a very good and important question, Mr. Eman. And we thought about it, yes, absolutely. When R&D introduce something, so we will quickly create and add a specific safety training lesson just for that new technology. And this will make sure everyone knows how to handle it safely right from the start. So we plan to have a short focuses training modules that can be repeated whenever needed, perhaps using online tools to keep up with how fast new things are developed.
Mr. Harris, while I think more training is a good idea, my main worry is that our staff might get tired of it or even resist it. We already have many rules, and asking for more time for required training might make them feel tired or enough. How can we be sure that they really learn and care about the training, instead of just seeing it as another box of tick off, which could accidentally slow down our actual production? We've seen training effort in the past not work as well as we hope.
Those are very important points, Mr. Iman. I understand your concern. The big difference with this type is how we give the training and how useful it is to them. So it won't be just sitting in the room listening to the talk. We're talking about a shorter, but more frequent and very practical lessons. And we might even use games or have experienced staff to teach others to make it more interesting and keep everyone involved. And this makes sure the training directly relate to their daily work and showing them how it immediately helps their safety and how well they do their job. So to avoid delay, we planning a special team, including the R&D, to create early safety rules and training materials at the same time as new technology is developed. So this way, safety knowledge is ready as soon as the new tech is. For our security solution, is to quickly improve our road safety checklists and standard operating procedures. So we will review everything to make them clearer and complete. And this means staff will use and sign off on specific required checklists. And we might use digital tablets at their workstation.
So this solution sounds very practical and really needed. Does anyone want to support this idea?
I second the motion.
So thank you, Mr. Iman. Should we now vote on this matter? So anyone want to raise your hand?
I vote this.
Okay. So Mr. Mukri, please make sure this approved plan are clearly written down.
Baliknya Ms. Samia, all the details will be fully documented, and I will work with the team to get the plan ready.
So thanks, Mr. Samia. We'll get complete implementation plans ready for your review.
So then let's really focus on our attention this morning on second item. Could you guys please outline the current situation for us in detail?
Yes, so our main concern now is unexpected failures of our machines at work. So due to this unexpected failures, it's causing safety issues to our employees, especially staff in the operating system, operating areas, operating conveyor, people working there. So these machines and robots are showing failure without giving any warning. So this, we only can fix the problem when it comes to problems, but we cannot fix the overall safety issue that causing the issues. So that's the big issue right now.
Yes, Mr. Krishna is right. When machines suddenly break down, it doesn't just slow down our production. It also creates real safety risk on the factory floor. Our team must react quickly under pressure, and that's when small issues can quickly turn into bigger problems. People can get caught off guard and injured. Clearly, this affects our safety and how efficiently we work.
So that is a very clear and continuing picture. Mrs. Krishna, please elaborate what your team has put forward.
Yeah, so far me and my team came up with two solutions. The first one is about a smart safety system that we inside our machines. So
the smart system consists of sensor and smart controls that constantly monitor the operation. So if it detects any abnormal behavior in robots or machines, it automatically goes to the key switch. So this is one of the solutions we want.
Mr. Krishna, this sounds like a great improvement, but considering we have many different types of machines, especially older ones, will this new system work well with all of them? Also from the R&D side, how can we make sure the safety is built into our machines right from the start, not just add on later? And beyond just helping with software, what exactly should R&D be doing to support this?
Yes, so great question, sorry. So the thing is, we have two approaches. One is for older machines. Older machines add the smart parts and sensors, since the older machine doesn't come with that, and they connect with the safety system as I explained just now. And we need the R&D to involve from the start to build the safety design itself. So like advanced sensor and creating the problems early. So this will be a key of making a safety important for the design. So R&D will play a key part, because since the older machine doesn't come to the safety and other sensors, so R&D is the one have to do the smart system in our older machines.
Okay, building safety into the design from the start is really exciting for our R&D team. For this smart safety system, can it do more than just shut down machines? Like, can it give us detailed info about near miss or unusual machine behavior that almost cause an accident? That kind of data would really help us improve our design and even spot problems before they happen. Also, it is possible for the system to learn and update its safety rules over time based on how each machine is used and how much wear it has.
Yes, so that's a very important feature that you just highlighted that. So the smart safety system will record major accidents, and it has all the records with the help of sensors that nearly misses or maybe that cause any safety problem issues to our staff. So I think with this analysis R&D teams could be a very good analysis in the data. So this can help you guys in the future for R&D to develop the smart programs and the smart system that we were talking about. It's not only with this analysis. So I think we will work closely with you and decide which data and the most useful for R&D.
That's making me feel better. It's important that any system, no matter how clever it is also easy to use and doesn't do extra work for our staff who are on the factory floor every day. How will we know if this smart system is working well after we put it in?
So our second solution is that something is very familiar to the first one, which is IoT. We install IoT in our machines. So not only it's like smart machines, smart robots, also we can monitor them through our smart devices like a laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. So it may the solution that I proposed before this may have a safety system, safety switch, but this one helps us from going until the safety. In my opinion, key switch is one of the last resource that we should go. But using this IoT, we can monitor everything, and we can prevent anything happens from before it happens. So I think that's one of the second solutions that came up.
Mr. Krishna, the IoT idea sounds great for collecting useful data, but from R&D and IT point of view, we also need to think about the data security. Since the machine will be sending a lot of information wirelessly, how can we make sure it's safe from unauthorized access? Also, how do we keep the data consistent and reliable across all types of machines? We all need clear standards to make sure the data is accurate and useful for improving future designs.
Yeah, that's a crucial point. So we are prioritizing it. So data security integration of the IoT system will be managed with robust and strict access controls and developing close collaboration with IT department. So we also work together with IT department and R&D, so we get a clear standard of data and protocol which we proposed. So I think ensure the consistency of development across the different machine types.
Thank you, Mr. Krishna and Arif. So for presenting this vital and well-thought solution, we have pretty strongly aligned with our conclusion. So does anyone want to second this moment?
I second the motion.
Thank you, Mr. Aiman. Shall we now put this matter to a formal vote?
I
So it's clear and undeniable majority. So Mr. Mr. Mukri, please ensure this approved proposal are clearly accurate minutes as result
Sure.
action.
Sorry, Mr. Samia. I will ensure all the details are thoroughly documented, and I will coordinate it with the team that to get the plan drafted for your review.
So thank you, Mr. Samia, for listening to me. And questions are done for me and my team.
Okay, now let's move on to any other business. Anyone?
Yes, Ms. Amir. I want to bring up a common complaint from staff. The vending machine, especially the one with food.
I don't quite follow you. What exactly do you mean?
They are having trouble getting food from them. Staff are complaining that their snack or drink often get stuck, or the machine don't accept their payment correctly. Also, the variety of food options seem limited, and some staff are concerned about the freshness of the item.
So from a safety and health point of view, if staff can really get snack or meals in their drinks, it can really affect how they feel and experience.
Yeah, so we have gotten many cause of maintenance problems, but we try to fix it, but it's not again the problem is occurring. So if in my opinion, I think we should change the vendor, or we should want them to make it proper, even though it's in the food sources. So I think we should take action on that.
Okay, Mr. Krishna and Mr. Harris, this problem seems to be about both fixing machines and making our staff happy. So come back to us with clear ideas. Tell us if should get a new vending machine company, or if we just need make our current company to do better with maintenance.
Yes, sure.
So thank you. Our next item is the date, time, and venue for the next meeting.
Sorry, Ms. Samia, because since there are many activities that need to be completed before that, so can I send the notice about the next meeting to other members later?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
So let's conclude here. Any final questions or comments?
Yes, sir.
No. Well then, thank you for coming. The meeting is